Did you know your tongue never stops moving, even when you're asleep? Yep, your tongue is one of the most active muscles in your body, talking, swallowing, adjusting position, and even twitching in your sleep. It's constantly making tiny micro movements to keep your mouth healthy, help you breathe, and prep you for your next bite or word. Try to freeze your tongue right now. It'll start twitching within seconds, because that thing's got a mind of its own. Your body is full of weird surprises. Follow WT Facts for more brain-bending facts. And comment below if your tongue started twitching during this video.